Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started topic-wise current affairs in detailed manner. It means one video on one topic in detailed manner. And today topic of discussion is most important for every exam. This is Network Readiness Index of 2025. And this index is published by Portulans Institute. Remember, this index is published by Portulans Institute and 2025 Network Readiness Index, titled as Artificial Intelligence Governance in a Global Context, Policy and Regulatory Approaches. But the most important here is Network Readiness Index is published by Portulans Institute. Now, what is India's rank? So, India climbed to 45th position. Earlier, India's rank was 49th, but India climbed 4 places to secure the 45th position out of 127 countries. So it means India's rank is 45 out of 127 countries with a score of 54.43 out of 100. So India's rank is 45 and India climbed 4 positions, and this rank is published by Portulans Institute. And the top country is United States of America, who retained the first place globally with a score of 79.13, marking its 4th consecutive year at the top. Second rank goes to Finland, score is 75.82, not important. Third rank goes to Singapore, again the score is not important. Remember, first USA, second Finland, third Singapore. India's position is 45th. This is the most important thing you have to remember. Now let's discuss about Network Readiness Index. So this index was initially launched in the year of 2002, and it is one of the leading global indices on the application and impact of information and communication technology in economies across the world. And this 2025 edition marks the 7th edition of the redesigned model of the Network Readiness Index. And who are the publishing partners? The 2025 edition of this index is published in partnership with the Amazon Web Services and the Brazilian National Confederation of Industry. But the main institute who published is Portulans Institute. And Amazon Web Services is a knowledge partner for this index. And if we are talking about pillars in this latest edition, Network Readiness Index assesses the network readiness of 127 economies across 4 pillars. And these 4 pillars are technology, people, governance, and impact. And each pillar comprises 3 sub-pillars and further 53 indicators. And you can also remember about partnership. The 2025 edition marks a new partnership with the World Government Summit, where the NRI was officially launched, or the Network Readiness Index was officially launched. But some economies were dropped this year, like 6 economies, like you can remember the name. One is Venezuela, or you can say Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. Second one is Democratic Republic of Congo. Chad is there, Seychelles is there, Sierra Leone is there, Yemen is there. So these 6 economies were dropped in the 2025 index. Now let's discuss about the key findings of this index. So first one is income distribution. This 2025 ranking comprises 52 high income countries, 34 upper middle income countries, 32 lower middle income countries, and India comes under the lower middle income countries, and 9 comes under the low income countries. And the top countries are United States of America, Finland, and Singapore. We already discussed. 4th rank goes to Denmark, Sweden, Netherlands, Germany, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Republic of Korea, but you don't have to remember, just remember the first 3 countries, USA, Finland, and Singapore. And United Kingdom ranked 8th. 8th ranking goes to United Kingdom and score is 73.85. And among the top 25 countries, Europe is represented by 17 nations. East and Southeast Asia comprises 4 nations. North America includes 2 economies, and Oceania is represented by 2 economies. But the most important here is China ranking fell by 7 spots to 24th, but still remains the only middle income economy in the Network Readiness Index of top 25. Remember, China comes under the top 25 countries. And if we are talking about pillar toppers, then USA, Switzerland and Netherlands recorded the highest score in the technology pillars, because total pillars are 4. You can see this total pillars. One is technology, second is people, third is governance, fourth one is impact. And in the technology pillar, USA is on the top, second rank goes to Switzerland and third rank goes to Netherlands. And in the people's pillar, the top ranking goes to again United States of America and second rank goes to Republic of Korea, and in this index third rank goes to Israel. Not here, but Israel is on the third position in the people's pillar. In the governance pillar, the first rank goes to Denmark, because North European economies continue to feature prominently in the governance pillar. Denmark is on the top. Second rank is not here. Second rank goes to Denmark, and third rank goes to here Netherlands. In the impact pillar, first rank goes to Finland. Second rank is not listed here. Second rank goes to Ireland, and third rank goes to again Denmark here. So again European countries are here. And you can also remember top 3 countries by income group. Like in the high income countries, United States of America is on the top. In the upper middle economy countries, China is on the top. In the lower middle income countries, Vietnam is on the top. India is on the second position. This is important for you. In the low income countries, Rwanda is there, Uganda and Malawi is there. But you can remember just one country. But in the lower middle income countries, India is on the second position. If we are talking about top 3 countries by region, then in Africa it is Mauritius, in Arab states it is United Arab Emirates, in the Asia and Pacific Singapore is there, in the CIS, that is Commonwealth of Independent State, it is Russian Federation, in European countries Finland is there, in America it is United States of America. So remember, these are the top 3 countries by region. Now if we are talking about India specific, then India's rank is improved to 45th position. Earlier India's rank was 49, but now India improved its ranking by 4 positions. Now India's rank is 45. But India has also improved its score to 54.43 out of 100. Earlier India's score was 53.63 out of 100, but now it is 54.43. And India's ranking in the different pillars, like in technology pillar, India 33 ranks, people category 34 rank, 73 rank in the governance and 42nd rank in the impact pillar. So India has secured the top position globally in several key indicators, including annual investment in the telecommunication services, artificial intelligence, scientific publications, information and communication technology services exports, e-commerce legislation. So India's rank is first, and India also ranked second in fiber to the home building and internet subscriptions, mobile broadband internet traffic, international internet bandwidth. And India is placed third in the domestic market scale and income inequality. So first rank in 4 subcategories, and second rank in 3 subcategories, and third rank in 2 subcategories, or you can say indicators. So this is very important that India comes under the lower middle income countries. Regional group is Asia and Pacific, and you can also remember the India's ranking in the different pillars. So remember about one institute. This index is published by Portulans Institute. This institute is an independent non-profit organization, non-partisan research and educational institute with areas of expertise in technology competitiveness, innovation readiness and global talent. Its headquarters is in Washington, D.C., United States of America, and this was established in the year of 2019. So this was Network Readiness Index, which was published by this institute, and this report titled as AI Governance in a Global Context, Policy and Regulatory Approaches. Total pillars are 4: technology, people, governance and impact. Top country is United States of America. Second rank goes to Finland. Third rank goes to Singapore. And in the pillar toppers, in the technology, USA topped. In the people categories, again USA topped. In the governance, Denmark topped. And impact category, Finland topped. India's rank is 45th. India's score is 44.43. In the technologies, India's rank is 44th. In the people's, 34th rank. In the governance pillar, 73rd rank. In the impact pillar, 42nd rank. So this topic is very important for every type of exam. Revise again and again so that you can remember and retain for long time period. I hope you like this video. Please share as maximum as possible and like this video.
So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys. Take care and bye-bye.